Hi, good morning everyone. You can call me Eka. I am a accounting student at Unika Sugio Pranoto Semarang and I come from Tegal, Indonesia. Here, I would like to the effect of Android media a cited contextual on accounting student learning interest. Why did I use the context of this journal? The reason is in the current needs of students. Research found an alternative solution that occurred, namely the innovation that must be done by the teacher. The world of education cannot be separated from the times, especially the development of technology and information. Innovation ranging from learning methods and learning media must be adapted to the current situation and condition, with a note that all innovation must be based on the needs of students and not based on what the teacher himself likes. My presentation is divided into three main parts. First, I will explain about the purpose of Android Media for student interest in accounting and financial institution. Then, I will explain about the influence of Android Media on student learning interest in accounting and financial institution. Finally, I will discuss how to measure the learning interest of institutional financial accounting students. This part of my presentation will take about 10 minutes. Please save any question for the end of the talk after my presentation. I have handouts of the presentation and I will give this to you later. Now, we'll move on to an explanation of the use of Android Media for student interest in the field of accounting and financial institution. Well, the use of Android Media for student interest in the field of accounting and financial institution has second types of use are the first, constructivism learning theory. Constructivism is a process of building, structuring student cognitive and social intelligence through understanding the knowledge they want with meaningful activities. Learning with a constructivism approach can be combined between cognitive psychology and student social psychology. In the second, contextual paradigm. The principle of learning with a constructivist approach is to create a learning model that makes students active in learning activities. One of which is the CTL learning model. Contextual teaching and learning is a brain-compatible system of instruction that generates meaning by linking academic content with the context of student daily life. Well, I have told you about the use of Android Media for the benefit of students in the accounting and financial institution sector. Let me turn now to the influence of Android Media on student interest in accounting and financial institution. The influence of Android Media on student interest in accounting and financial institution consists of second types. Are the first, learning media. Mobile learning is learning that is done through wireless technology device that can be used anywhere. Mobile learning helps people to get instant learning at their fingertips and offers something new that is exciting in education and pedagogy. The combination of M-learning with the CTL learning model will help the success of the learning process itself because M-learning is considered to be able to have students explore knowledge and specify their queries about an accounting subject matter. The second, interest in learning. Interest is feeling like an interest in something without being told. Interest in learning is a happy feeling that we pay great attention to the subject and make it easy for the subject. That's all I want to say about the content of the influence of Android media on students' interest in accounting and financial institution. In summary, the use of Android media in the current era of globalization, especially the condition when the spread of the COVID-19 virus is increasingly spreading, encourage students to study at home online using Android media. So, the conclusion that I draw from the discussion that I have previously explained is: the first, the use of Android media for students is short as an online learning media. The second, the influence of Android media on students in nutshell is getting instant learning at their fingertips and offering something new and exciting in education and pedagogy. And the last, how to measure student interest is online learning is to use the product moment correlation formula. The reliability test will be calculated using the Krones-Ba alpha value. Validity and reliability tests will be analyzed using CPCC 2504 for Windows. Let's we make the best use of Android media. Use it to look for good things, a lot of knowledge, so that we can absorb all the learning that has been given by the teachers online. Do not let us miss technology application in the Android media that cause harm to ourselves. For example, by opening pornographic site, violence, discrimination, and others. Use your Android media as a guide or an intermediary for you to get to the feature that you have dreamed of so far. Well, I think that's all for today. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye. See you.